going to Pep to drop off my winner's package. Inside there is a crop top from H&M, joggers from H&M, cargo skirt from Cotton On, white cargo pants from H&M, set in a size small, neutral or beige t-shirt in a size medium, another essential off-white t-shirt from H&M, a baby tee in a size super small from H&M, a tank top in a size super small. The last item is this bomber college jacket in a size medium. So yeah guys, I am so happy for my winner who won all of this. The reason why I took so long, the app that I usually use to randomly pick a winner wasn't working. Sometimes I will get so frustrated and I will forget to go back and try again until you guys appear on my comment looking for an update. I'm so glad that we finally did it. However, I am going to do my giveaways differently because now there's a new system on YouTube where you can literally see your community. They show you who's engaging with your content on a regular, and also like how many comments, how many likes since you have started. So I was thinking, why not use that, you know, to reward the people who always are showing me love. I feel like that makes sense for me. So I'm very big on reciprocating the energy, making people feel seen. That's why I love doing all these giveaways. I am not a hoarder. I can't keep stuff that I do not need. I can't keep duplicates. I can't keep two of each things, you know. I sometimes send stuff at home. So if I have the stuff and I have sent stuff at home, there's no need for me to keep the remaining products. I have to give them away. It makes a lot of sense. However, I do appreciate your input. You can mention on the comment how I can pick my winners. Also, this dress makes my boobs look so big, and it also creates a cleavage, which I do not like. I think that's why I haven't worn it in a while, because like too much cleavage for me is a no-no. But it's so cute, I love it. I'm gonna pass Pick n Pay or Woolworths to get broccoli, carrots and cauliflower and chicken, because we do not have veggies. That will be my dinner today. I'm going to cook a healthy, well-balanced dinner and relax, because it's been a long ass day. It's been a long day. Like, your girl is tired. Check for check. Earrings, CBD, Lovisa, dresses from Zara, bag is from Lacoste, sandals are from Cotton On. This is my look for today. This is the outfit for today. I still feel hot because it's double layered. Like literally most of my dresses are double layered. Where I stay, they always are opening new restaurants, clubs, shops. So on my way back, because I always walk when I run errands, I saw this car. You know when you see someone is approaching you, you can see it's, oh my god, this person is approaching me. So I see him with his sport car. He's going down, I'm going up. So I see him look at me. But I have glasses on and I have my earphones on. I am seeing him looking at me, but I'm like walking straight, child, because one way I'm not gonna stop for nobody. He parks fast, gets off his car, he gives me this. He's like, hi. Sometimes they're literally off and I'm playing nothing. I'm just like in my thoughts, in my zone, but I just don't like being bothered. But I was playing music though. I'm like, can I help you? And it's like, I am the owner of this place. It's sort of like a lounge, clubbish restaurant, that they have opened. It's cute, it's nice. So it's like, I am hosting an event tomorrow. Please come through with your friends. I'm going to take care of you, like in regards to like drinks and food. Just hit me up. And he was taking out his phone, trying to get my number. I'm like, oh, let me see. Is this your number on the invite? And he's like, yeah. I'm like, I'm going to call you. Don't worry. I'm going to hit you up when we are outside. Sure. It's a cute invite though. It's such a cute invitation in an envelope, so formal. Annual white party. I'm in a dress with my sandals. You looked at me and you saw, oh, this one, this groove by the lesson. Those are named Jazazo. Busisa. Sana. Bored in nerves. Bored in nerves. I'm so tired though. I'm so tired. Even carrying an umbrella just in case it rains. Are we getting a storm? Is there a storm approaching? Because you just never know, because it gets so hot.
YouTube. Yes.
Ang manje sana une kamera ya itu.
Okay.
Musi nje wari je, musi nje orange. Kamera pin. Buena foto bela. Pero son on. Oh. Yes, there's Saya boleh begal.
killing me. My feet are killing me. I'm about to cook now. I am back. It is still pouring. It is still raining very hard. However, that won't keep me down. I'm starving. I need to cook my meals. This dress needs to be taken off. I need to be in my PJ and cozy. And I need to cook.